We got to see quite a lot of Pokémon Sword and Shield before E3 in a special Nintendo Direct, but E3 is the first time they're actually getting to play the game. It's the first Pokémon game on the Switch other than Let's Go, which is more of a spin-off game, and it was really, really good. It felt basically like Pokémon on the Switch. Basically, the demo consisted of a Pokémon gym. This one was a water gym. We started off with all of the 3 new starter Pokémon, so the fire, the water and the leaf Pokémon. And yeah, we just fought our way through the gym. A couple of trainers we met along the way, but it was mostly Switch puzzles and those sort of things that are classic to every Pokémon game since the first ones. The other new things we saw were moves, really. Rather than just the regular moves that I'm used to, there were quite a few moves that changed the type of the Pokémon I was fighting against. All 3 starter Pokémon, Grookey, Scorbunny and Sobble, all had moves that would let you change the type weaknesses of the Pokémon you were fighting against. So I could hit them with a move that would turn a fire Pokémon into a water Pokémon. Now it's not going to get rid of that fire Pokémon's fire moves, but what it will do is make that Pokémon weak to electric attacks when it wasn't before. It's a really interesting dynamic, and I hope it's one that we'll see a lot more of as we get towards the game's release. Another thing that Nintendo hadn't talked about before today, and didn't even talk about during the Nintendo Direct earlier today, is Yamper. Yamper is a Pokémon that is basically a corgi. It's fantastic. As we went into the battle, I was fighting against the gym leader with all the correct Pokémon, doing everything fine, and then I saw that I had a corgi in my lineup and immediately chose it. Used the new Dynamax feature, which made the Pokémon 50 feet tall. Terrible strategy, not the right thing to do in that battle, but it was very, very fun to see a giant corgi fighting against another giant Pokémon. It was great. I did win the battle in the end. I think I might have wiped 3 Pokémon because I used Dynamax on a corgi instead of the correct Pokémon, but yeah, it was a lot of fun, and Dynamax seems like a cool thing. The fact that the gym battle was inside a stadium, it reminded me a lot of the stadium games, obviously, and yeah, it felt really interesting. Again, I'm really excited to see the new things we haven't seen yet, so the dynamic weather system, the wilds, this free roaming camera that's really going to take Pokemon into like the next generation. But from what I've seen, I know I'm going to love it. For more E3 coverage, keep it locked to Engadget.